Hi friends, I am Fanindra. Welcome to Kids ET channel. I would like to tell about C.V. Raman, a pride of India, one of the most prominent Indian scientists in history. C.V. Raman was the first Indian person to win the Nobel Prize in Science of his 1930 discovery, now commonly known as the Raman effect. It is immensely surprising that Raman used an equipment worth merely 200 rupees to make this discovery. The Raman effect is now examined with the help of equipment worth almost millions of rupees. Chandrasekhara Venkataraman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. He was the second child of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Ammal. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics, so he had an academic atmosphere at home. He entered Presidency College, Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907, C.V. Raman passed his MA, obtaining the highest distinctions. During these times, there were not many opportunities for scientists in India. Therefore, Raman joined the Indian Finance Department in 1907. After his office hours, he carried out his experimental research in the laboratory of the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science at Calcutta. He carried out research in acoustics and optics. In 1917, Raman was offered the position of Sir Taraknath Parikh Professorship of Physics at Calcutta University. He stayed there for the next 15 years. During his tenure there, he received worldwide recognition for his work in optics and scattering of light. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924 and the British made him Knight of the British Empire in 1929. In 1930, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded with Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering of light. The discovery was later christened as Raman effect. In 1934, C.V. Raman became the director of the newly established Indian Institute of Sciences in Bangalore, where 2 years later he continued as a professor of physics. Other investigations carried out by Raman were his experimental and theoretical studies on diffraction of light by acoustic waves, of ultrasonic and hypersonic frequencies, and those on the effects produced by X-rays and infrared vibrations in crystals exposed to ordinary light. In 1947, he was appointed as the first national professor by the new government of independent India. He retired from the Indian Institute in 1948 and a year later he established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. Sir C.V. Raman became the Fellow of the Royal Society of London in 1924. A year later, he set up Raman Research Institute near Bengaluru, where he continued the scientific research until his death, which was caused by a strong heart attack on November 21, 1970. His sincere advice to aspiring scientists was the scientific research needed, independent thinking and hard work, not equipment. Okay friends, we will meet again in another video. Bye.
Okay friends, today's GK bits and riddle of the day. Let's go for that. First question. Full form of the WWW. Answer: World Wide Web. Full form of the WWW. Answer: World Wide Web. Second question. On which day we celebrate Hindi Day? Answer: September 14th. On which day we celebrate Hindi Day? Answer: September 14th. Third question. Bihu is one of the most popular dances in which Indian state? Answer: Assam. Bihu is one of the most popular dances in which Indian state? Answer: Assam. Riddle of the day. Post your answers in the comment box. We are brothers from the same mother, but we have never met. We are brothers from the same mother, but we have never met. Who we are? Last video riddle of the day answer: curry leaves. Riddle of the day answer: curry leaves. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.